Hi everyone, my name's Nick and today we're going to be going over how to make a MetaMask wallet, fund it, and add networks. I'm going to be taking over some of these videos for LT Snake Plissken. He's a very busy man and I am nowhere near busy enough, so you might be stuck with me for a few of these. Keyword of the day is unlucky. Anyways, before we begin, I just need to let you know that I am not a licensed financial advisor and this is not financial advice. If you require a licensed financial advisor, please seek one out because I am not one. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so let's delve first into why we want to use MetaMask, and a big portion of that is decentralized finance, or DeFi as it's called. So basically what DeFi is, according to this Wikipedia page, and it sums it up very nicely, it's a blockchain-based form of finance that doesn't rely on central financial intermediaries or exchanges. Like, think of your banks, think of the tellers, think of, stock exchanges and how people are held to keep track of certain things. Instead, the blockchain aspect of it utilizes smart contracts, and it uses them on these different blockchains and these different networks in order to make sure that people are getting what they deposited in and making sure that there's those checks and bounds in place. Like a bank teller might not give you an extra $100, the blockchain makes sure that that is also happening for decentralized finance. So it's a really smart way of banking in a sense, and it leads to some really interesting farming opportunities, which we'll touch up on in another video, I'm sure. But for the meantime, basically decentralized finance is something that relies heavily on decentralized wallets such as Metamask. Metamask is able to handle a lot of different websites. It's able to connect to a lot of different networks. So it's very versatile, and it's going to allow you to hopefully be very successful with crypto and exchanging it online. So now that we've touched up on decentralized finance a little bit here, we're going to touch up on MetaMask and what it is. So MetaMask is basically a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. We're going to learn later in this video how it interacts with a bunch of different networks. It's not just limited to Ethereum, so it's very versatile, which is great. And it allows users of MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications, or dApps. And basically the way that it works, and I'll show you this later in the video, so don't worry if you're not following 100% right now, is you connect your wallet, your MetaMask, to certain websites, and that allows you to interact with their application on said website. So that is basically in a nutshell what MetaMask is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over quickly the differences between a centralized exchange, or a CEX, and a decentralized exchange, or DEX. And the main thing we're going to focus on for the purposes of this video is the privacy portion of it. You can read through the rest of them, but we're going to focus on privacy. So basically with a centralized exchange, so that is your Binance, your KuCoin, what have you, it is not anonymous. There is some personal data. You have to usually put in an email, you have to put in maybe a cell phone number to approve your trades. With a decentralized exchange, so that is your Uniswap, your PancakeSwap, your Balancer, it is anonymous. There is only a wallet tied to nothing. It's basically an address. And you're going to see that later on when we make our MetaMask wallet. So that's the main difference when it comes to privacy. And a lot of people, including myself, love the extra privacy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the MetaMask website and download our wallet. So what you want to do is type in metamask.io, as I have right here. There are some fake websites, so you want to make sure to steer clear of that. Now the download button is up here. It should auto-populate with whatever browser that you have. In my case, it's installed MetaMask for Brave. It is the exact same on Google Chrome though, so no worries. So we're going to go ahead and install. It'll pop up on the Chrome Web Store, and what you want to do is make sure again that it reads metamask.io, and also check out the amount of users that it has. This one has 9 million, so it's pretty tried and tested by a lot of people. So we're going to go ahead and add this to Brave, and once you get this pop-up, add extension, and then you're going to give that a few seconds to install on the browser itself. Okay, so now that it's popped up in its own little window here, it's going to say welcome to Metamask, and you're going to get started. So if you're new to Metamask, as we are right now, we're going to set up a brand new wallet. If you have a secret recovery phrase already, which we'll get to, you can import it into this browser by using the secret passphrase and importing your wallet into the browser. But we'll create a new wallet. So we go to create wallet. Help us improve Metamask. I always select no thanks. I don't want them collecting info. So we're going to create a password now. And then after you've created a password, just agree to the terms of use and then create your wallet. Now this page is going to pop up with a video that we're going to skip for now, but it's basically trying to inform you about keeping your secret recovery phrase safe. There's some good tips here about how to store it correctly. I've written mine down on a piece of paper and just kept it safe. Nobody else can see it except me. I've kind of hidden it away. So do what you must, but these are some good tips on securing that. And like I said, we're going to skip this video for now. So click next. And then this is the secret recovery phrase portion. So basically what happens here is that you click in this box here and it's going to reveal those 12 words, which is your secret seed phrase. And you have to keep this safe. You have to write it down because it's going to test your knowledge of it in the next section. So I'm going to go ahead and write these down and then I'll be right back. All right, so welcome back. What it should have asked you to do after you revealed the secret security phrase and click next was it makes you put them in order to make sure that you actually know what those words are, which is a great system, I think. And then after that, you're going to see a screen like this that says, congratulations, you passed the test and keep the secret recovery phrase safe. Very good tip. So you're going to click all done here, and then it might tell you what's new, maybe not. But you're going to be stuck at this page, which is the ETH mainnet. It is usually what the default thing is for MetaMask. We're going to change stuff around a little bit, and we're going to add some networks in just 1 second. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to a website which actually can add networks to the wallet automatically, so we're not manually inputting things. It's quite a bit easier. That way we can interact with other chains like Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, all of that fun stuff. So where we want to go is chainlist.org, as I have it typed up here. So once we go there, we're going to be able to connect our wallet, and I'll show you how to use this website. It is super easy, but the first thing we're going to do is connect our brand new wallet that we have here. So connect with MetaMask, we'll click next, and then connect to our account, which we just made, and connect. So we can see up here that our wallet is now connected to the website. And what we're going to do now is we're going to search out some well-known networks and then we can add them to the wallet. So first up is Avalanche mainnet. I typed in AVAX up there. So what you can do is click add to MetaMask. And what it's going to do is that it's going to say, allow this site to add a network. We trust chainlist.org. It's great. So we're going to approve this new network URL, the chain ID, network name, blah, 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 blah. So we're going to hit approve. And then why not? We'll switch the network while we're here. And then that is all there is to that. We have a lot of different ones that we can add. We can add Hiko. We can add Phantom. All of these ones that are supported by Elk.Finance, we can add to MetaMask with the exact same operation here. So I will be right back, and then we're going to start looking into how to fund the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so we've made it this far. Now we're going to get to the good stuff, which is actually funding the MetaMask wallet. And we're going to do that through a Binance account. A lot of centralized exchanges have the exact same layout, so we're going to assume that it's not going to differentiate too much. So what we're going to do is go to our overview, our wallet here, and we're going to go to fiat and spot. And as you can see, I have a little bit here. So the process is you're going to see what you want to withdraw to your wallet. You're going to click on withdraw. And in this case, we're going to withdraw some BNB to my wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go to my MetaMask account, which we just made, and I'm going to type in my password and log in here. And basically what you're going to want to do is copy this address up here to your clipboard. So you're going to copy this, and then you are going to paste it into the withdrawal address. Now it auto-populates here, which is nice, and it recognizes it as a BEP20 address, so the Binance Smart Chain. And then you're going to enter in how much you want to withdraw. So if you bought crypto on Binance and then you want to withdraw it to your Metamask, it's the same process. You have one wallet and you have one address that you want to withdraw to. So you put in your amount, your 0.02, let's say, and then you can withdraw after there's a little bit of a network fee, which is expected. Now, if you are looking at another cryptocurrency, if you're looking at if I had any Ethereum, it's basically the same, except what you're going to want to do is make sure that your network is correct. So in the case of Ethereum, it would say ERC20 down here, so you'd want to select that. And that is honestly about it when it comes to withdrawing from a centralized exchange. Super easy, and that is how you fund your MetaMask wallet. And that is going to be it for this video. We've learned a lot today: how to make a MetaMask wallet, how to add networks, and how to fund it. All great foundational things, and all things that we need to do in order to keep up with Elk.Finance. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. That would really help me out. And also comment about things that you're unclear of. I can try to answer as many questions as I can. And as always, Elk Team, thank you very much.